Polar Aviation is a leading business aviation maintenance service provider in Northern Europe. We are based in Helsinki, where we have 4,400 square meters hangar space. Then we have also line maintenance station in Moscow and base maintenance station in St. Petersburg. We are Dassault Falcon Service Center and we are Honeywell Service Center and avionics dealer. We do Dassault Falcon, Gulfstream, Bombardier, Boeing and Airbus aircraft and Leonardo and Airbus helicopters.
So we're working with Polar Aviation since 5 years now, roughly, since the very first day Polar Aviation exists. And we have, for the moment, we have a very good cooperation and we try to improve that every single day. The support we receive from Polar Aviation answers and exceeds the expectations we have as an approved service center, not only for Honeywell, but also from Dassault. So they provide really tailor-made solutions in unscheduled situations and also really adequate out-of-the-box thinking solutions in case it's required. And besides of that, of course, as a scheduled maintenance service center, they provide very good support in a timely manner by respecting the timeline.
Unique about Polar Aviation is our perfect location at Helsinki International Airport. So we are really between east and west. We are still within EU, but very close to St. Petersburg and Moscow.
To have Polar Aviation in Helsinki is very important to us because, of course, it's the gateway to Russia for us, not only logistical but also manpower. We have a lot of activities in Russia, which gives us, by using Polar, the means to have very quick and adequate solutions in case of, for example, AOGs. But besides for that, they also provide us with really competitive offers for scheduled maintenance here in Helsinki. As a European client, we use their logistical knowledge and their manpower to solve AOG situations in Russia in a very timely manner to avoid impacts on the flight schedule.
Yeah, we can install.
We have a unique and proven concept to support AOG cases in Europe and especially in Russia. We can dispatch our Go team and spare parts wherever the help is needed.
Being Honeywell partner really helps us to support our customers nose to tail. This includes avionics, entertainment systems, connectivity, engines and APU. We are very proud to be a Honeywell partner. We can offer spare parts, we can offer solutions to our customers really timely and quickly. It's a real partnership.